Have you tried making vanilla cupcakes, a recipe without butter? You should try these butterless vanilla cupcake recipes if you haven't. These vanilla cupcake recipes indeed do not have butter. They are super easy to make and prepare. These vanilla cupcake recipes are super moist and delicious. So, share these vanilla cupcake recipes with your family and friends. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, about 325 grams. 2 cups of sugar, about 414 grams. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of milk, about 240 milliliters. A half cup of vegetable oil, about 120 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 2 pieces large eggs. 1 cup of water, about 240 milliliters. Step by step. Step 1. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, prepare your cupcake pans and fill them with cupcake liners. Afterward, put your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large mixing bowl. After that, ensure to mix and set aside. Step 2. Combine your milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and eggs in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add your wet and dry ingredients. Afterward, mix them using an electric mixer until well combined. Step 3. Gradually, add the water to the batter. Be sure to mix in a low-speed setting until well combined. Also, scrape your bowl's sides and bottom to combine properly. In addition to that, expect your cupcake batter to be thin. Step 4. Fill your cupcake liners about halfway. Also, make sure to bake them for about 15 to 17 minutes. Likewise, you can bake them until they cook thoroughly. Once your cupcakes cook, remove them from the oven. Step 5. Allow them to cool for about 2 minutes inside the cupcake pans. Ensure to do so before transferring them to the cooling wire rack. Always remember that doing this will allow them to cool completely. Another way in making this butterless cupcake recipe. Ingredients: 3 pieces of eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 150 milliliters of oil, 80 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, sugar for sprinkling on top. Step by step. Step 1. Combine eggs, sugar, and vanilla in a large mixing bowl. Make sure to use an electric mixer for 2 minutes. Then, sift your all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt over the egg mixture. Step 2. Cover your bowl. Make sure to place it inside the refrigerator for an hour to rest. After that, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, put your cupcake liners in your cupcake pans. Be sure to set them aside. Step 3. Take your cupcake batter and fill your cupcake liners halfway. Also, tap your cupcake pans 2 to 3 times over the counter. Then, be sure to sprinkle a bit of sugar on top of your cupcake batter. Step 4. Finally, bake your vanilla cupcakes for about 15 to 20 minutes. Likewise, you can do so till it bakes thoroughly. As always, serve and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.